Sentiments were shared that cultural and creative industries are not just hobbies but economic activities, therefore the need to create a conducive environment for them to thrive. The Copyright Bill aims to close the gaps and allow creatives to benefit from their work and the protection of it. MPs had an opportunity to have an understanding of the bill before it reached Parliament for further debates.
But also to ensure that every Namibian artist, innovator, creative is empowered, registers their intellectual property, their innovation, the creation of their heart, knowing that they can actually live off the creative arts. So that's really the heart and soul. So we've got parliamentarians, members of the cabinet, attending today's session for us to discuss elements that have come to their attention, elements that need clarity, that need further explanation, to ensure that the Act is meets all the stakeholder needs and addresses the gaps that were observed in the previous law. So that's what we're doing today.
The new aspects of the bill include new economic mechanisms, support for creators' income, improved rights administration, and strengthened enforcement framework. The economic impact include seeing the creative industry as an economic sector that will contribute to the country's GDP and unlock commercial potential.
The question before us is this: how can law be positioned to unlock this intangible will? We can all agree that for the creative sector to truly thrive, it requires an enabled intellectual property environment, one supported by fit-for-purpose institutions and modern legal reforms. When that foundation is in place, creativity moves from the margins of mainstream of the economy. It shifts from informal survival to sustainable livelihoods.
The engagement themed growing the local creative industry to grow the economy through a balanced and effective copyright legal system also featured a panel discussion with diverse experts from the creative industry. MPs recognized the urgent need to prioritize the creative industry and create an enabling environment for it to thrive economically. However, they called for further deliberations on the bill to ensure it is inclusive.